Hello friends, good morning. So today we are going to learn a new topic, how to detect a object in our image or video. We can say that how we can detect a ball or a blue color ball in our object. We can detect different green color balls also and different color balls also, but today we are going to see how to detect the blue color ball first. So there are 150 color conversion are available in OpenCV. So today we are going to learn one of them, that is called HSV. So first of all we will understand what is HSV. HSV, as you can see here, hue saturation value. Hue correspond to the color components, hence just by selecting a range you can select any color from 0 to 360. So here you can see that this arrow indicating that you can detect or you can select any color from this 360-degree angle. Saturation is the amount of color or depth of the pigment. So here we can see that from 1 to 0 you can select. Saturation means how dark you want your color, and at the end value is basically the brightness of the color. So from 0 to 1 you can select the brightness of the color in vertical direction. So let's start. Let me close this. So first of all we have created a file, OpenCV Python object detection. So let me import few libraries that we have already did in our previous classes. Import OpenCV, import CV2 and import numpy as np. Then next we have to define a function. Right now I am just defining it, not using it. I will tell you later why I am defining it. And pass we have to. Now next we have to read the image, but for that we have to create a while loop. So frame equals to cv2.imRead function, then dot slash. So first we have to create a semicolon, then we have to pass the path of our image slash, then OpenCV tutorial, then slash, then data, then the name of our image is smarties.png. So this is the basic things. Then cv2.imShow, then we have to show the image. So let's create the name of frame, then pass the frame itself, then frame, then cv2.wait key, we have to pass 0, then at the end I am going to destroy cv2.destroy all windows. I think I don't need to pass it inside a loop. Let me so what's the issue? I have created a comma. So what type of image it is? Force quit. Okay, so I think I have to pass this inside this. So this is our original image, and let me quit. Now next we have to convert this image into HSV. For that cv2.cvt_color, then we have to pass the frame image we want to convert. Let me switch this line in the end, then frame, then color conversion, cv2.color bgr to gray, no, BGR to HSV. Then next we have to lower values of blue color. So I did experiment previously, so I know the lower HSV color of blue. So first is 110, then 50, then 50. Then upper HSV colors for blue is let me define the variable first. Upper blue is going to be a 130, then 255, then 255. So now at last we have to create a mask. cv2 dot in range function we have in range function. Then in range function what we are going to do, we have to pass the HSV, then LB lower blue, then upper blue. Now next we have to call the cv2 dot bitwise AND operator. So we have already learned the bitwise AND in our previous classes. Then mask equals to mask. So now let me see is our blue balls are detected or not. Let me show the real image and then detected image. So as you can see that we have detected the blue image, but we are not getting the original image. Let me store in cv2.wait key. We have to pass over here 1 if key equals to 27, then we have to break. Still we are not getting the original image. Frame we have passed and cv2.im show. Okay, we have defined the same name. There's the issue. Now you can see that because I know the upper blue and lower blue colors of upper HSV and lower HSV colors of blue balls, so we have detected the blue balls. Now our next task, we are going to detect this upper HSV and lower HSV of blue colors by using our track bar. So we have to nothing, we have already learned in previous classes how to create a track bar. So we have a create track bar function, so we are using that one only. So let me first create a named window, cv2 dot named window. In this we are going to pass tracking, then cv2 dot create track bar. I have to copy few things. LH means lower hue, then comma, then we have to pass the name window tracking, then we have to pass the range 0 to 55, then we have to call the nothing function at the end. Let me copy this. We have to pass lower hue, lower value, lower saturation, lower value, then upper hue, upper saturation, upper value. So let me change it to 255, then lower hue, lower saturation, lower value, and upper hue, upper saturation, upper value, upper saturation. Now we have to just by the function get track bar position, we have to fetch the value of this all and we have to pass over here. So let me fetch a variable lower hue value. So cv2 dot get track bar position and lh comma the name of the tracking window, tracking, and let me copy this again and LH हो गया. Now we have okay, first we have to LS, then LV, and that I have to copy over here LV, then the same thing we have to do with this one. Let me copy a little quick, so I just don't want to delay. Now UH, US, UV, so US and UV. Now quick, it's just too much copy paste over here. V and then UH, control C, control V, control C, control V, control C, control V. Now we have to create a one more window from where we are going to select our values for mask, means HSV value. So we have to create a mask. Let me run the code. So here we go with our three images. Let me parallelly place it nearby, and the first value is 50. No 50, it's 110. So 110, then another was 50. As I already did experiment, so I know these values, which color, I mean which values for blue color. 50, then this one is 50, this one is 130 somewhere, 29, 30. So as we can see here that our blue balls are detected. So friends, you can see here how we have detected the blue balls. Now let me detect the green color. For detecting green color, I think I have to select 61, 62, 61. As you can see that the greens are going to be highlighted. 238. This value is 238, 238, and 235, 36, 37, 38. Then another one is 178, 78, then 121. 121 is nothing far. So as you can see here, we have detected the green balls. So now we are going to implement the same thing on our webcam using video frame. So let me close this. So let me create another file that we have already created with the name OpenCV object detection.video. Let me copy this code and place it here. So for video we have to change a little bit code, nothing much. So first let me comment this, and we have to fetch the video frame. So for that we have cv2 dot video capture function, and we have to fetch the frame using cap.read. So now we have another last line, we have to cap.release. So now let me run this code. So as you can see that we have created the mask. Let me place this parallelly so we are able to detect. So we have to detect the blue color, green color, so we have to detect the green color. So let me 61, this one is 61, 62, 61, another one is 2, another one value is our 238, 238, 238. As you can see that another one is going to be hide 238. And 178, lower value of hue 178, and then 121, so we have nothing right now. So I have shown it a green color, but why it's not detecting? I think the green color is not that much dark. Where will I get the dark green color? So let me do a little experiment. So right now it's not detecting, but if you have a dark green color then it will definitely detect. So thank you friends. So we will meet in our next lecture. It will detect this green or not. It's not detecting this green too. So thank you friends. As you can see that we have detected the green color on image, but I don't know why it's not detecting blue, some value missing. So thank you friends, stay safe and be happy. Let's meet our next lecture with a new topic. Bye friends.